Vaccination plays a vital role in goat health. Vaccinate goats against PPR, enterotoxemia and foot and mouth disease regularly. Also vaccinate them against diseases like goat pox and black quarter when there is an outbreak in the vicinity. Consult your local veterinarian for more information. Deworm goats using an effective anthelmintic drug whenever there is worm infestation. Goats having external parasites like ticks, mites and fleas should be treated regularly using appropriate ectoparasiticides. Frequent hoof trimming is necessary for goats reared under stall-fed conditions, and this needs to be done less frequently under the grazing system of management. Nimbkar Group's method for goat keeping is time-tested and has resulted in a profitable business. With constantly rising prices and demand for goat meat, this business is surely a booming one. Rear Nimbkar Boer goats for more profit.